everyone, welcome back to my monthly Olive Young video. As mentioned in my previous Olive Young video, I like to shop during Olive Day because as a Gold member, I receive additional discounts and free samples. Today, I'll be showing you some of the newly released makeup and skincare products along with special sets exclusive to Olive Young that are worth getting. So let's start shopping. Here are some cute sun care collaboration products. These are the Dr.G and Kakao Friends Edition sun care products. So if you purchase this Green Mount Up Sun 1+1 set, you receive one of these Kakao Friends plushies. This is a purple tone-out sunscreen with a pore blurring effect. I actually have this at home and I use it whenever I want to go foundation free. It really blurs my pores and corrects my yellow undertones. These are the limited edition Aestura and Pochacco sun care products. So if you purchase their Barrier Hydro Mineral Sunscreen 1+1 set, you receive both of these pouches. Here is another special collaboration between Makeprem and Bebe the Ori. Their cleansing milk set comes with a free cute cleansing band. Amuse has collaborated with Hello Kitty and has come out with a range of makeup products. If you purchase their Bebe tint, which is their hydrating lip oil tint range, you receive a free Hello Kitty tint ring. They've released 2 new shades and this is in Tan Rosy. This is another new shade, 09 Cherry Kiki. And this is their limited edition Hello Kitty packaging lip fuller, which is essentially a lip plumper with pink and gold diamond glitter. And this is the Hello Kitty limited edition eye color palette. Unfortunately, it's already sold out. Here are more Hello Kitty collaboration makeup products. I'm trying out the Jelly Fit tint in the new color 11 Amethyst Rose. This is their best-selling color for warm tones 05 Oat Fig. This is also a new color 09 Peach Cocoa. And this is their best-selling color for cool tones 06 Soul Girl. And let's start filling up my shopping bag.
봉투 100원인데 필요하실까요?
아니요.
는 되셨고요. 올리브데이 이어서 골드 등급에 맞는 샘플 등장 같이 해드릴게요.
Okay, so let me show you what I got from Olive Young today. First up is this Rejuran Derma Healer Moisture Treatment Ampoule. So this exclusive Olive Young set includes a free mask, and it's called the Skin Protection Mask. So just to show you the texture of this ampoule, here's an open bottle that I'm currently using. The texture is lightweight, non-greasy, and has a gel-like consistency, and it isn't too watery. The featured ingredients in this product are 7% PDRX, which is a calming moisturizing ingredient created by Rejuran, and 0.5% of CPDRN. CPDRN is a patented ingredient derived from salmon DNA found in all Rejuran products. It has been shown to boost collagen production and promote cell regeneration. Moving on, I got a new release product from Innisfree called the Retinol Green Tea PDRN Skin Booster Ampoule. This set includes a free 5ml ampoule and 2 10ml tubes of the Retinol Silker Barrier Defense Cream. This product contains PDRN derived from green tea and 1% retinol complex. Although I generally prefer retinol to retinol, I was intrigued by this green tea PDRN and decided to give it a try. And Innisfree claims that their low molecular weight green tea PDRN is 1/10 the size of salmon PDRN, which allows it to be absorbed more deeply into the skin. And the product is said to help smooth pore texture and improve inner skin glow. I also got the Cosrx the 6 peptide skin booster serum, and this special set includes an additional 30ml serum and a free mesh pouch. This is an open bottle that I'm currently using. As you can see, the texture is watery, so I use it as a toner. And I also appreciate that it comes in a pump bottle, which makes application much more convenient. This serum contains 6 multi-peptides that claim to enhance overall skin condition. Next, I got the Aestura Aloe Barrier 365 Hydro Soothing Cream. This is the limited upsize version, 100ml. And it comes with a free 10ml mineral sunscreen. It's perfect for the summer since the texture is lightweight, non-greasy, absorbs quickly and soothes the skin. This is my favorite gel cream because it's the only one that provides the long-lasting hydration without making my skin feel dry, where most gel creams on the market do. It contains ceramide, fatty acid, cholesterol, and trehalose to deliver deep hydration to your skin. Moving on, I got the Medicube Zero Pore One Day Serum again because this 30ml double pack is a steal. This double pack is exclusive to Olive Young. I love this serum as it is a great gentle exfoliant containing 1% AHA, 0.2% BHA, and 14% PHA. I also got the Bring Green Bamboo Hyalu Lip Essence Double Pack. So I have very dry lips and I can't live without lip balms, and this lip essence contains bamboo extract and 2 types of hyaluronic acid to moisturize your lips. I actually like how the texture is thick even though it claims to have an essence texture. It makes my lips feel comfortable and nourished. I also got the Abib Collagen Gel Mask Jericho Rose Jelly, and this is my favorite gel mask because it contains a lot of essence and my skin feels super soft and supple every time I use it. I like to apply my retinol cream first and then put on this mask, which helps with the absorption of the retinol. This vegan collagen sheet mask features collagen developed through yeast fermentation. This line targets aging skin and has been clinically shown to increase skin elasticity. Lastly, I got the Abib's Collagen Eye Patch Jericho Rose Jelly, which contains 60 patches. I use these eye patches whenever I'm using a nose pack to keep the area around my eyes from drying out. Jericho Rose is a plant that grows in the desert, and Abib's Jericho Rose line includes Jericho Rose extract to help hydrate and nourish the skin. Additionally, it contains trehalose, an ingredient known for its excellent moisture retaining properties. And this month, I received these 4 samples as a gift for shopping on Olive Day as a gold member. So we have the pre-made Olive Sickle Calming Ampoule Mask, and the Fashion Notska 9 Trouble Serum Mask, Medicube Tea Tree Trouble Pad, and the Metagreen Calorie Cut Jelly. So today's haul features some of my current favorite skincare products that I highly recommend, except for the Innisfree one, which is new. Thanks for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!